I want to be a YouTube hoe. I want to be a YouTube famous nigga. I want to be an IG famous nigga. I want to be like, God, ask God why I'm so sexy. So I'm just going. I'm just
Oh,
going.
you're taking a video? I'm like, bitch, shut up. I can't even hear. Fuck.
She said, "Fuck." That's why she coughed like this. I mean, damn, can't even talk. That's why she coughed like this, like that. Who coughs like that?
I shoot
With their tongue all heavy.
That shit way 300.
Huh? It's heavy. Well, I want to be the next junior Juliet soaking wet. I want my shit wet. My shit a little dry. Look. Don't you see? Dry than a motherfucker. Look at that shit dry. That shit just ratchet as fuck. She just ratchet with a capital R. Alright, that's it. Tweak it or tweak. Done. This nigga. Comfortable all in my bed. This ain't even a real bed.
Bitch, say the couch is off full time. What you talking about?
Anyway, she doesn't really know English, so holla.